Meaning of H. G. Wells.
H. G. Wells.
H. G. Wells.
H. G. Wells.
H. G. Wells. H. G. Wells is an abbreviated name for the English author Herbert George Wells. He was a prolific writer and is considered one of the fathers of science fiction. His most famous works include The War of the Worlds, The Time Machine, and The Invisible Man. Wells' writing was known for its social commentary, exploring themes such as class struggle and the relationship between science and society. His works have had a profound influence on popular culture and continue to be widely read today. Overall, H. G. Wells is a significant figure in both literature and science fiction.